Hi friends, are you still struggling with the massive Excel file? What if I told you you can analyze 1 lakh rows of data in just 3 lines of code? Today I'll show you how. Hi, I'm Prashansa and today we are going to automate the data analysis using Python. Before analyzing the data, first of all we will see what is Pandas. Pandas is a Python library used to read, clean, filter and analyze the data. Most companies use Pandas before even machine learning start. To analyze the data, first we need to import the library. Now we are importing the library. We will write import pandas as PD. Next, to read the data from a CSV file, we will write Now what is DF here? DF is the data frame. Everything in Pandas revolves around the data frame. Data frame is the supercharged Excel sheet inside the Python. What is read underscore CSV? This is a built-in method to read the data from a CSV file. What is sales underscore data? This is my file name. .csv is the extension of the file. Now next I want to print the file data. For this I will write df.head. This will display the first 5 rows of the data. Next, if you want to retrieve the total sales but according to region wise, we will write df.group by region sales.sum. Now I am getting the total sales for the north region, total sales for the south region and total sales for the west region. This one line says that group my data according to the region and calculate the total sales. And just like this, you can analyze thousands of rows of data in just few lines of code. That is why Pandas is very useful. It saves the time, it reduces the manual error and gives you complete control over your data. Now you guys tell me, what do you find harder, cleaning data or analyzing data? Comment below. I'll send you free Pandas cheat sheet. And if you want to learn more about data science or data analytics, you can contact us on the given phone number or you can drop an email. And follow Sun Focus for more practical data skills that helps you to grow in your future career. Thank you.